Hello guys, a big welcome to you. I hope you're doing great. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. I promise you'll have great content regularly. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you very much for supporting me. Today we'll be talking about how to enrich our children's food. So if you're a young mom or mom of young kids, then this will be very interesting for you. So for this, you'll be needing almonds and cashews. You'll have to fry it until it's golden, then blend it until you get a powdery consistency. You can add that powdery mixture to anything they are having, be it milk, be it Cerelac, pap, yogurt, whatever it is that they're having. You can add it to it, especially if your baby is underweight. This is going to be a really big boost for the child. So I hope this video was useful to you. Please like and share to other people who might need this information, and please keep coming back for more. I love you so much. Love your family. Have a great day. Bye.